Pricing your art can feel so confusing, but there is a simple place to start. One of the easiest ways to begin is with a very simple formula. The formula I use is called the linear inch method. Let's walk through an example. The piece that I'm showing here is a 20 inches wide by 30 inches tall painting. To find the linear inches, I just add the length and the width of my art. Then I multiply by a number that fits my work. If you're just starting out, your multiplier might be around 4. For my work, I usually choose a multiplier in the 15 to 19 range. This is just a basic guide. The multiplier is just a helper. Don't feel like every piece that you paint has to fit into that one standard multiplier. You can adjust your pricing based on the complexity or how special the piece is. Be sure that you price your work so that when it sells, you feel great about it, not like you undercharged.